Alright, hello Diego. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over some warm-up, some exercises, and then we'll go over a really cool intro of a song. So to start off, right foot, right hand. If you want to try to push it, left hand, left foot. You want to try to push it, go faster and faster. Both. Find the BPM that's comfortable. If it's faster or slower than any of those, just keep it stable. You go feet only. And slower feet. Alright, so now we'll go 4 hands, 2 kicks. And go all snare there. Now 2 hands, 2 kicks. Okay, next one, measure 4. We can have a triplet kick, so to practice more on that Impending Doom Murderer song, how it's quick triplets at the beginning. So instead of going right, left, right, left, right, left, just a quick right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, or if you want to do 3 right, left, rights, which are pretty difficult at that speed, you can try this thing right here. It's the heel toe with 1 foot and then a regular kick with the other. And heel toe, you can practice that on the side of your pedal. It's just a wave motion. So with your foot, you go heel, toe, heel, toe. When you get faster, you can go ball of your foot, toe. But I need to practice that one. And with that one, you can go like super fast. But I'm just more of ankle right now. Just straight ankle, down, down, down. But that heel toe, you can go to super fast speeds with that one. So for this triplet, heel toe, regular kick. You can also go heel toe, left foot, and regular with your right. You can also go both. Let me try to do that. Do something like that. So you can try that heel toe, but you'll feel it a lot in your shin there. So just watch out for that one. To practice that, you can go just heel down and just go down with your foot. Alright, so there's that triplet. So one more time, heel toe, regular kick. Heel toe, regular kick. Now this cool fill, 4 snare, 4 high. Snare high, kick, kick, right, left. Snare high, kick, kick, snare with low. All right, after this, now we get into it. So it's a Dream Theater Panic Attack. That's the song, and this is the intro of that one. So listen to that one. Pause this video. All right, so now that you've listened to that one, how this intro goes, these two measures right here repeat twice. And how it goes, you'll hear 6 snare with the crashes. 4 of those are regular speed. The last 2 are faster. And that's where the triplet sign is right there. On both of those. So these are the 2 fast ones. So it's, and the kicks are in between. It's kind of similar to like the Funeral for a Friend streetcar. With the kicks in between everything. But this one, both hands are at the same time. So it'll be easier for you. So how it goes, so count 4 and then 5, 6 are fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. So just keep that going. You do that for 4 measures. After that, go to this part. So these 2 measures, it's the same back to back. On the recording, you'll hear fast ride patterns, like a triplet here and there. So like a single, something like that. Live, you can see in his playthrough, he just does it just a straight eighth notes. Yeah. So it's just a constant ride pattern. And how the snare will go. So you'll go at the beginning, it's a crash. Then you move over to the ride. And then it alternates. So it's ride, snare, ride. And there's going to be an extra ride at the very end. And then it starts over with the crash with the snare. You see that? It's together. So together with the crash, alternating, together with the ride, alternating together with the ride, right at the end of that measure, or both measures. So one more time slowly. Together, apart, together, apart, together, ride. And then just don't forget the crashes like I just did, or the one crash on the second measure, first beat. And that's the 2 measures slowly. Now the feet, just constant right, left, right, left. And that's how that beat goes. One more time. Okay, so that's that one. Next part. Just like the first line of this intro, we do the same thing. So 4 regular, 2 fast. You can also change up with your right hand. Or alternate the snare hand. So that's those first 3 lines. The last line, this is where we go even faster. This is my favorite part right here. So after the bam, 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 then you go ride with the snare, and this is going to be a fast flam kick. So the left foot is going to be right after the right foot. This will really help with that gallop in the streetcar song. Because this one, both hands. Just like when you were saying that it was easier to do that pattern without not including the snare. This one includes it, so you might be able to get this one. The only thing now is to get where the crashes fall. So if you can see 2, 4, 6, 6 of those, then you go 3 crashes. At the end, it's 2 snares. The very last is just the kick with the crash, both crashes, and that is right there. So you see over here, crash with the snare, crash, snare, back to the ride. And then you go crash, crash with the snare, snare, no snare at the very end. So that part one more time. And just slowly. I missed that last snare, but that's pretty much how that goes slowly. So now I'll play this line by line. So that first line up there. Second line. Oh, where's my mouse? There it is. Okay. So just remember crashes at the beginning of those 2 measures. On measure 8, measure 9, and then the ride by itself at the end. After that, you do what you just did the previous 2 lines, measure 6 and 7, but now on measure 10 and 11, so right here. After that, measures 12 and 13, it's the fast part. Okay, here we go. Just remember at the very end, it's just 2 snares with crashes, and then the crashes with the kick at the very end. At measure 14 by itself. So it's just 1, 2, and then crashes. And that's those last 3 crashes right there. One more time with that last part, slowly. So there's that part. That's a fun intro once you get that one. And we'll get that one in class next week, so I know you have that. And then we'll recap a few other things, just so I know you have those also from previous lessons. So have fun practicing that, and see you next week.